Hey everyone, Sawmill Charlie. Well, we're not out in the bee yard today. We're here on the farm at the wheat field. There's about 30 some acres here, and the harvest crew has arrived and started to combine the wheat, and thought maybe you'd like to see the combine. Now this combine is a European combine. Most new combines in the United States have a rotary thrashing device inside which chews up the straw, and this combine has the old style combine rotary device inside where it doesn't chew up the straw and takes out the grain. So hopefully here in a little bit we'll get to see the combine. And here comes the combine. And he's got the spinners on the back to scatter the straw. And this is a hillside combine where he keeps the combine level and the head follows the contour of the field. Well, I was told it was a European combine, but obviously it isn't. It's a John Deere combine. He's getting ready to unload. He's got his auger out, and he is going to back over here to the tractor and trailer and unload the wheat, which will then be hauled to the granary and sold. And there comes the wheat out of the tank. Let's go see if we can't hitch a ride. All right, we're inside the cab, and we've got ourselves a draper head, which is a head that has a belt that pulls the wheat to the center of the combine, and then it goes into the combine for thrashing. I did find out that this combine does have a normal thrashing cylinder in it. It's just a John Deere that is made in Europe instead of the United States. So we're going to go ahead and long for the ride. There's the grain coming into the bin in the back. Hopefully you can see it. The glass is a little bit dirty. The head's 30 feet wide. Compared to the old combine that I had, mine only cut 10 feet back in the 1970s. Over here we've got the GPS screen that guides the combine along with the yield and the moisture automatically being taken as we are combining the wheat. And here's more readouts over there. Unloading the wheat into the tractor and trailer. Approximately 300 bushels is what the tank holds. Well, everyone, the field of wheat has been combined and the grain has been put in a tractor and trailer and hauled to the granary. All that's left now is for us to bale this straw into small square bales. We can do that ourselves, but this year we're going to have a neighbor come over with a inline square baler, and also attached to that will be a specialized machine called a bale baron. It takes 21 small square bales, puts it in a cube and ties it together. So all we were going to have to do is use a front end loader to pick them up and put them in our barn for storage. That'll be a forthcoming video at a later date. So until next time, please like, subscribe, click the notification bell, share my videos with your friends, and have fun with your bees.